Hi, I'm Victoria. I'm the Learning and Development and Apprentice Manager here at Jungheinrich UK, and I'm here to tell you a little bit more about our apprenticeship programme today, which currently today stands across 9 different types of programmes, in everything from office-based to engineering. We've been doing apprenticeships now for over 20 years, and I'm delighted to introduce you to one of our existing engineering apprentices.
Hello, my name is Deriece. I'm currently a Year 3 Apprentice Field Service Engineer with Jungheinrich.
Jungheinrich UK is an intralogistics solutions provider for customers nationwide. What that means is we deal with customers both large and small, and intralogistics is all about the moving of materials. That could be namely our equipment, which is our forklift trucks, but it could be most things now. It could be automation, or it could be equipment that is self-sufficient in a warehouse. We've been dealing with apprentices for over 20 years, and I'm delighted to show you a little bit more about what our engineering apprenticeship programme entails today. So Deriece, can you tell me, why did you choose an apprenticeship in forklift engineering?
Okay, so one of the main reasons I chose an apprenticeship in forklift engineering was because I'm a very hands-on kind of person, and I find that when the task is in front of me, I learn a lot better, and also I really love problem solving, which as an engineer is a day-to-day task.
Great, thank you. So what do you enjoy most about your apprenticeship?
I think the thing I enjoy most is that I'm never in one place, and I'll get to see a lot of interesting things that a lot of people wouldn't. And I also like working with the longer serving engineers, as the knowledge that they have is useful.
Oh, great. So what does a typical day look like for you?
A typical work day for me would be getting up at 6:30, getting into my uniform, having a little bit of breakfast. Then I leave around 7:30 to meet my mentor, either at the parts depot to collect parts or on site, which we would have discussed the day before. Once we're at site, I'll begin to sign in, then we're going to have a look at the truck that we're going to be working on, just to gauge what equipment and tools we will need to complete the job. And then once we've gauged that, we can go to the van, collect the tools and equipment we've just discussed, and begin work. Once the job is complete, I'll either start to tidy up the tools and the work area, or I'll have a go at completing the paperwork for the job. And at any time during this, I can always ask my mentor if I'm unsure on anything and ask him for advice. Once we've completed the paperwork and the job's completed, we'll speak to the customer and advise them whether parts have been ordered or the truck's ready to go back to surface. Also as well, we may be at one site all day, and then some days you may be at 3 to 5 sites a day, so it's here and there.
Really good. Thank you for sharing that with us. Quite interesting. So finally then, Deriece, if you had to describe your apprenticeship culture at Jungheinrich within 3 words, what would you say?
I would say engaging, joyful and knowledgeable.
Excellent. Okay, thank you so much.